sitting on her eggs, and the father standing there watching guard, guys. This is what I come home to. Nature. Peace and serenity. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful day. To all the people that watched my vlog or my live yesterday, I'd like to thank you very much once again for joining that live. I appreciate it. We're going to try to continue some more lives down the road, just to see how it works out for me, and hopefully everybody likes what I'm doing or what I'm recording, and we go from there. Oh, we have some action. Anyways, guys, to all those that are having here in the Canada and in the US, have a great evening. To the people in the Philippines, family and friends, have a great morning. Until the next time, we'll see you again.